Make a great choice today with the 2012 Liberty. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.7-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, brake assist, remote keyless entry, black door handles, speed control, compact spare tire, electronic stability package, fog lamps, front license plate bracket, full-size spare tire. Inside you'll find steering wheel audio controls, heated front seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, overhead console, security alarm, child safety rear door locks, tilt steering wheel, universal garage door opener, low tire pressure warning. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.